How to update Instagram accounts and get access to all of the newest, coolest, and helpful features. I'll show you step by step. Firstly, let's open up App Store or Google Play depending on your device and search for the Instagram. Now, if you can see button update right next to it, then tap on it to get all of the newest features. But if you can see just the open button, then your app is updated to the latest version. So next thing we can do is go ahead and open settings, click on general, then iPhone storage, and from here start scrolling down until we can find Instagram. So now we need to offload the app to simply clear cache and cookies. But don't worry, your data will not be deleted. Now, after a few seconds, just tap to reinstall the app, and with this way, you will refresh it, you will get all of the newest updates, and you will install the updated copy of the app. So let's just wait a few seconds till the app will be reinstalled. You can also see this process on your home screen if you added the app to your home screen, or you can just go in App Library and find Instagram from here. Now, open up the app, click on your profile icon in the bottom right, tap on three lines in the top right to open settings, and from here, just scroll down till you can see section for professionals and choose account type and tools. If you can see the option to switch to professional account, then right now you have personal. Therefore, you don't have all of the coolest features. So we need to switch to professional to get more tools and controls. Just click next. Here, customize your account and tap switch to professional. From here, it doesn't matter what you choose. I'm going to choose creator. Just click next. And now you can continue setting up your professional account, or you can just leave it. And as you can see, a few new features has added. For example, professional dashboard, where you can see all of the insights and analytics about your account. Also, if you open up your DMs, you should see primary, general, requests. You should see the option to filter all of that, just like that. You can also see repost button and many other coolest features which were unavailable before. That's it. Subscribe for more useful tips.